What up, people? All right, we are at the campground in Streetsboro, and we got Skoolie out. Check her out. First time out, we're testing out stuff. We have our shore power hooked up. So before we leave, I'm gonna do a full video on everything that we have hooked up. Got the shore power hooked up to the side there, and that's a 50 amp a 50 amp cord, but we have 30 amp service, so that's an adapter. Then we got it going down to the surge protector. That's a 50 amp surge protector, and as you can see, we're hooked up to 50 amp, and that's the 30 amp. So when you hook up 50 amp and then it goes over here, and this will change it over to 30 amp into the bus. So we're good there. So we have shore water right here, but I filled up the tank before we left home because I wanted our house water, you know what I mean? So we're doing pretty good. And we're nice and level. And we got the girls in there hooking up some grub. All right, so keep an eye out for us. We'll let you know what's happening. Peace.